This video will focus on working with images. Now in my document I already have an image. However, if you ever need to insert one, you can go to your insert tab, you go to pictures, you go to this device or stock images or online depending on what your question is. So for this one I went stock images, it loaded, and I then said social media. So it may take some time to load. If I go here, social media search, and you can see here is a bunch of different images that you can insert. Now after inserting, you select it, and a key thing I want to mention here is you'll see the moment you click on it, but it says picture format. You click on picture format, and this is everything from changing the colors, making it look a bit different, adding borders around your pictures, changing colors, creating what we call quick styles, which gives a nice frame. But two key things, or three key things I want to mention today is what we call your alt text. So alt text is text that would show if someone might be visually impaired. So rather than it or the person seeing the picture, it would read for them that it says several vintage audio cassette tapes. Now in this you can customize it by just deleting this text and reading it, or typing new things in. You can generate your alternative text for you using AI that will pick up what's going on. And then the next thing is what we call position. Now these are your preset positions. So you can say in line with text, and text would go underneath it and on top of it. You can have what we call text wrapping, where the text physically goes around the picture as it moves throughout the document. Or you have what we call wrap text. Now if we click on wrap text and we say something like square, and we make the picture a little bit smaller, you will see that the moment that I pull this up, let's just see, I'm going to make it a bit smaller, you can see that the text goes around it. Now this is helpful if you want to put text next to it, but just make sure that it's not going like this, where it's going around the picture but some words are floating on one side. So something like that might work better. Now with this you can also crop your pictures. So this is just where you say, okay, it might be too big, you only want that part of your picture, you click on it. Now a key thing I want to mention is if you click on crop again, you will see that that part is still there, and if you've cropped too much you can always just uncrop it by just selecting the crop handle again.